Are you not tired of attracting men who don't appreciate you, men who don't want to commit, men who are not emotionally there for you? And it's not even bad luck. There are deeper things happening in your life, and this is what I would like to discuss in this video. I'll not only discuss why you're attracting these kind of men, I'll also discuss how you can break out of this circle and find a man who truly appreciates you for who you are. Hi, I'm Sharon, and I help women build confidence, stop settling, and attract the love that they truly deserve. So, if you're ready to change your relationship pattern, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because you're going to be getting a handful of tips that will help you in your love life. So, the first reason that you keep attracting these wrong people is that you are a people pleaser. There's no better way of saying this. So, some people are like that. You just keep prioritizing other people at the expense of your own needs. So, you attract men who take advantage of you. So, if you find yourself always adjusting, apologizing, or making sacrifices just to keep that relationship going, then you're not in a healthy relationship. You're in a one sided relationship. So the solution here is to set boundaries. You need to learn to say no without feeling guilty. A healthy relationship involves mutual respect. It doesn't involve one person doing all the emotional labor. So another reason could be that you are afraid of being alone. But what you don't realize is that staying in a relationship out of the fear of maybe being single, it will only lead you settling for less than you deserve. So when that fear of, loneliness outweighs your standards, you accept behaviors that don't align with what you truly value, what you truly want. So what I would advise you to do is to shift your mindset. Being single is not a punishment. It's an opportunity, in fact, for self-growth, for clarity about what you truly want from your partner. So enjoy your single time and set your standards straight. So another common reason I find that women keep attracting the wrong person is that they mistake the bare minimum effort for love. Many women fall into that trap of thinking that small gestures like maybe a text message or a compliment means that the man is serious about them. They'll see one small message and be like, "Oh, my baby, please, you have to stop it this year. Please, you have to stop it. It doesn't make any sense. Don't settle because you're getting the bare minimum from any man, okay? You deserve so much better. Don't be excited by the little things like text messages, compliments, maybe him taking you out for dinner. I feel like love is much deeper than these little things. So don't get too carried away and settle for less because he's giving you just the bare minimum. So you need to stop being impressed by the basics. Expect mutual effort and expect intentional actions, not just occasional gestures. The fourth thing that attracts you to these wrong men is that you think you can fix them. You're trying to change them, you're trying to fix a man. It only leads to emotional exhaustion. So a relationship should not be a project where you constantly work towards making the other person better. You need to date men for who they are, not who they are trying to be. So if a man is not already the partner you need, it's not your job to change him. Don't settle because of potential. Number five is that you ignore red flags. And I don't really blame women that do this because they just feel like it's something really little. But unfortunately, when you're married or when you get serious and you tend to see each other all the time, that excitement dwindles and you begin to see the person for who they are. By that time you're already emotionally invested and it makes it much more difficult to detach from people like that. So what I would say is from the onset you really need to pay attention to the little things, the red flags. Don't ignore them. It's the worst thing you can do because it's much more difficult to leave somebody you're already emotionally involved with than that initial stage. So don't ignore these red flags. So ignoring these red flags will only lead to bigger issues down the line. So you need to stop excusing bad behavior, inconsistency, lack of effort to keep the relationship going. It's a setup for disappointment. So trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, if something feels off, Pay attention. When someone shows you who they are, believe them first. Don't make excuses for them. So now that I've said it, which one of these patterns can you relate to the most? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to turn on your notification bells as well, so you'll be the first to watch more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.